In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the QuickBooks app if it's not working on your device. We'll walk through some practical steps to help you troubleshoot and get the app functioning smoothly, so let's get started. First things first, let's double check whether your QuickBooks app requires an update. Open the QuickBooks app on your device. If it loads successfully, then perhaps your issue is not with the app itself. However, if it doesn't, the next step is to head over to the Google Play Store. Look for QuickBooks in your list of installed apps. If there's an update available, you'll see an option to update the app. Go ahead and click on Update if it's available and wait for it to finish installing. Often, updates come with bug fixes that might resolve any issues you're experiencing. Once it's done, try logging into the app again. Hopefully, this resolves the issue, but if you find the app still isn't working, don't worry. We've got a few more tricks up our sleeve. Let's dive into the app's settings to make sure everything internally is running smoothly. What we want to do now is clear some data that might be causing hiccups. On your device, navigate to the Settings menu and then find your way to the Apps section. Here, you should locate and select QuickBooks. Once you're in, tap on Storage. You'll see a couple of options here: Clear Data and Clear Cache. Go ahead and tap both. Clearing these will remove any corrupted data that might be causing conflicts or errors within the app. After doing this, try logging back into your QuickBooks app. In many cases, these steps can resolve running issues by essentially giving the app a fresh start. If you've reached this point and the app still refuses to cooperate, it might be time for a more drastic measure. Deleting and reinstalling the app can often resolve persistent issues. So, go ahead and uninstall QuickBooks from your device. Once it's removed, return to the Google Play Store. Search for QuickBooks and reinstall it. This will ensure that you're running the latest version of the app with all recent updates and fixes included right from the get-go. After reinstalling, try logging back in. Hopefully, this should finally resolve the issues you've been experiencing. That wraps up how you can troubleshoot and fix your QuickBooks app when it's not working as expected. As a final tip, always ensure that your device itself is up to date and that you have a strong and stable internet connection, as these can also impact app performance. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're back to managing your finances with ease. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.